So yeah, welcome to my recording. This is Blanco. My name is Abraham. Blanco, say hi. So initially, I planned on streaming, and for one reason or whatever the reason may be, the streaming live failing to create. So I'm just going to make it a recording and then upload it after, as the case may be. So I just wanted to go over the trade I had shown on the stream yesterday. I'm gonna go over the trade and see what it's like now. Yeah, this is it. As you can see, as we can all see, TP was successfully smashed, and this is a trade that I literally just came on live and just showed my one out of maybe two or three trading strategies. This is my main one, key trading strategy. So TP is it, as you can see. This video, there's no script, so it might be sounding very here and there. It was meant to be a live stream. Live stream, you just flow, you go with the flow. But I'm just gonna turn into the video and post after. So yes, TP hit, and not a surprise, because it's what we do, and the TP masters. But yeah, I want to then check other series and see if there's a trading opportunity, so I can then teach. And if there is not, I will then drop a secret. A secret. No, it's not going to be a secret. I mean, it's like something for you to anticipate. Let me not say it now. But yeah. So, if you want to know this trading strategy I talked about, just watch the last stream. I believe it's on YouTube. If you're watching it on this platform and you don't see it, then it's definitely on YouTube. So you just go to YouTube and just check for the stream. I don't know if I can leave. I'll leave the link in the comments. Yes, I think that's how they do it. I'll leave the link in the comments so you can easily just find it. But yeah, it shouldn't be hard for you to find. So this is on Jump 25 index. Jump 25. Yeah, this is Jump 25 index. So not really seeing anything that's able to enter for a trade here. Not seeing any reason for me to trade. But this thing just looks like a giant ranging motion. But then you have to really drop down before you see any reason. So you can see this obviously came from a downtrend. You don't see. And if you don't know what downtrend is, maybe drop a comment. And then because of you, I'll specifically do a video explaining what is downtrend. So yeah, downtrend. So I feel like the downtrend is about to end. I feel like the downtrend is about to end. And the reason why I say that is because it doesn't look like it's gonna go a lower low again. Because if it was gonna continue, expecting it to have done something like this. Something I created maybe here. But for the fact that it has gone over here, then I'm just anticipating the downtrend is over. I may be wrong, nobody's always 100% right in trading, and that's one thing. I'm gonna make this video very quick. Just go over what I want to do and then see what I want to say. Now, it looks like the trade is ending. So, I'm looking for a trade opportunity here. What I'll just do is called a simple break and retest. What I want now is for trade to go above it and then far above it and then come down and then retest this. So what I would want, what I would want idealistically, going off of hopes and dreams, for trade to reach here, for the market to reach there, and come back to here. That's what I want. That is what I want personally. Personally, if this thing can happen, then there's no trading opportunity. The upside to trading the reef is that every day, the upside to trading the reef is that every day the market, this thing might move pretty much fast. Oh, this is even on the 4 hour. It's not gonna move fast. This is gonna take a couple of days. My bad. I thought I was on the 1 hour. Yeah. Um, yes. The chart looks more clean on the 4 hours. Let's check it down to that. So 4 hours is where I'm gonna see the opportunity. 4 hours is the opportunity I'm looking for. So that's what I want. So this is probably gonna take maybe 1 week to play out. So we'll come back next week and see what happens. It's probably gonna take 1 week to play out. 1 week or 1 week and some days. On to the next one. I need to be quick. Is there anything here? Is there nothing? I don't see anything. I don't see anything here. Next one. There are some people who trade, what do you call it? Consolidating markets. I'm not among those set of people. Those ones are God's strongest warrior. I don't even try it. I don't even try it. I'm not an SMC trader. I don't know this. I mean, I understand liquidity. Just watch my mic. I understand liquidity and liquidity grab and pull and whatnot. I understand it, but I'm not an SMC trader. I think those guys overcomplicate trading for no reason. And this is not a shade to them, but I don't think trading is supposed to be like algebra. And that's what they make trading seem like. I think the more simple you can make your trading, the more better it is for you. When you start doing a lot of jumbotron, then yeah. But a lot of them will probably be able to trade after a consolidation. And there's one strategy I saw online, and I'm not going to adopt it yet, unless if I do sufficient testing. Whenever there's a breakout from a consolidation, you wait for it to come and retest the consolidation back, and then you just place your trade to the nearest high or low, and then put your take profit in the previous high or low. In this case, it will be something like this: take a trade here, put stuff around here, put your take profit. You're going for like a can't even get 2 to 1. I don't even know. So you're going for like a 1 to 1. You. So nothing here for me. 100 next. And yes, I'm not going to make this thing only about this my channel only about trading. Not just a trading channel. The channel is all about me. Tomorrow you guys will come to me. Tomorrow you guys will come with me to church. So yeah, I'm not playing tomorrow, but it doesn't mean I'm still going to church anyways. Play the piano. I'm going to church anyways. Let's go. Again, nothing to do here. So since there's nothing to do, let me just go straight to what I wanted to say. And this is for you guys. So I plan on this is gonna go through a lot of edits. If it doesn't go through a lot of edits, maybe I just got lazy to edit. So I plan on creating a daily live stream, but it's gonna be targeted towards people with very small accounts. A lot of traders online, a lot of traders sure you know, they don't trade small accounts. And people we that have small accounts always feel left out because you're seeing them using some amount of lot size that are very ungodly. And you'll be wondering to yourself, like, When am I ever gonna get here? When am I ever gonna get here? So the idea behind this is the aim is for people with small accounts. I don't want to mention anybody's name, but your favorite traders don't trade on small accounts. So this stream I'm gonna be doing every day. It's gonna be a trading stream. It's gonna be every day growing a small account. So I want you guys to join me grow a small account. Now, disclaimer: I'm not giving you 100% guarantee that I'm going to turn $100 into $1,000. Not $100,000. Yes, I'm not giving you 100% guarantee I'm going to turn $100 into $100,000. But what I can say is the aim is to grow. So just so that there is enough time and leisure to gather your money. You're not giving me the money. The money is for yourself. Fund your account. Fund whatever you want to fund. But I'm going to trade specifically Jump series. So you have to fund daily if you're going to join the trade. I don't trade, currency pairs and whatever. The main reason is because it's always affected by the news. I don't want anything that's affected by the news. I just want pure price action. Although they say the reef is always manipulated, but to me, I feel it's more of the pure price action than somebody just waking up, like Trump waking up feeling whatever he's feeling, giving the news that just crashes the market. I can't deal with that. So trading derivatives was best for me. So the target for the small account is like $100. Honestly, I wanted to say $1,000 because $1,000 gives you more room to be able to make mistakes and grow. For $100, you need to be very, very extremely strict. And if you are that strict, you're gonna miss out on a lot of big profits. Because to be honest, you need to really risk. You need to really risk to make it. To like build an account. You can't always play it safe, and then make it big. In this game of trading, in this game of analyzing, you have to take that risk. So yes, discipline is important and all of that, but the risk you still need to take it to make it. So $100, like I said, I would have preferred 1,000, but I know not a lot of people can save up $1,000. Saving up $1,000 is crazy in this day and time, especially if you're Nigerian. So I know anybody that's watching this video that's in any part of the world, it's gonna be like $100 is gas money for the month. I know, but I don't want to talk down on we Nigerians, but a lot of us Nigerians don't have. Let me not continue that statement, but $100, and if you can put it in, create a derivative account, put in the derivative account, and then don't carry your life savings. Yes, this is very important. Don't carry your life savings. This money, this $100 now, save it as something that you want to use and you want to grow it. Don't save it. Don't carry one of the money you're supposed to pay your rent and then say, "Oh, I want to put it in here and grow it." Don't do that. Just take it as money that you usually just save, but you want to invest it. And then another disclaimer: investing also comes with the downside. You are liable to lose your money. But because we are trading $100, we are going to be very strict, very, very, very strict, very strict. Thank God we are trading Jump series. The lot sizes can go low, so you can be using like $1 or $2 risk. So it's good. It's very good. On the currency pairs, I don't think there are any good currency pairs you can trade with $1, $2 risk. You understand? So it's very good. This trading with this Jump series, and it's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be quick money you would expect. But just think of it like instead of me to just put this $100 in my account, it's just gonna sleep there and not do anything. Let me just put it here, join this stream, because I'm not asking you for anything. All I just ask is join my stream. I don't have a fixed time yet. I'm going to be streaming every day, but it's most likely going to be around like 11ish, 12ish. Whenever I have a time, I'll let you know. And then the plan for this is towards the end of the year. And the reason why I'm doing it towards the end of the year is because I'm giving you guys enough more time to save. and I'm gonna do my best in trying to promote this thing I am doing. Because as of right now, I have little to no followers. I have little to no followers. I don't think I can brag about 100 followers now. And I don't want it to be the case whereby I lackadaisically started the stream with $100 and then a lot of you nice people who would have benefited from trading with me as opposed to build up the account who end up missing the whole, missing the whole thing. And then seeing me with like from $100 to like a $400 account, and then you'll be like, oh my god, why did I miss this? So I'm gonna give to like towards the end of the year. I don't want to release any dates now, but please and please share to a fellow trader that you guys are quote unquote struggling, so you guys can save towards it. Understand what I'm saying? I'm not, like again, I said I'm not asking you for anything. Don't pay me any money. I am one of the people who strongly believe that in this trading game, if you are good enough, you don't necessarily need to charge anybody. You don't necessarily need to charge anybody. I'm of that opinion. Will the opinion never change? I don't really know. But I'm of that opinion that if you are really good, as you say you're good, you don't necessarily need to charge anything. Because this trading game is a game of turning stones to diamond. Taking $100 to even taking $100 to even $200 is amazing. 100%. Jesus, you know what? There's some companies that can't do 100% turnover in a year. Like there's some investments that you can never get 100% turnover in the full year. So if you are able to even trade $100 and get it to 200, that's amazing. I think of it big. Imagine trading $1 million and turning into $2 million. That's crazy. So should I say be content in your small days. Be content in your small days. So I really hope this goes out to a lot of people. I really hope the algorithm pushes it out because people who started small like this, the algorithm didn't help us all at all. So yeah, peace and love. I'll catch you later in the next stream. The next stream might not be anything relating to trading. The next stream might be me playing piano or whatever the case may be. But me personally, I like streaming more than recording. I don't know how to do all of those edits that grab people attention. I just want to stream and just play it real and just say it as it is. How am I hitting the mic? And say it as it is and get it on with it. So bye bye for now. Thank you very much. Peace and love. No, let me do it. I think I'm gonna use it as a sign up. Peace and love.